Dear students, welcome back. So as I told you in the previous lecture that today I am going to start the solution of a linear equation in two variables. Now suppose there is an equation 2x minus 11 is equal to 7. So here the highest power of x is 1. So definitely it is a linear equation. But it is a linear equation in one variable. Now if you solve this equation, 2x will be equal to 7 plus 11, that is 2x will be equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9 is your answer. So if the linear equation is in one variable, then we can easily solve that equation and we get the value of the unknown. But if a linear equation has two variables, for example 2x minus 3y is equal to 15. You see this equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 15, it is a linear equation because the highest power of x and y are 1, but this equation has two variables. So whenever a linear equation has two variables, we cannot have a unique solution. Means only one value of x and one value of y, it is not possible. I'll show you how. If you solve it, 2x will be equal to 3y plus 15, or we can say x is equal to 3y plus 15 upon 2. Now you see, if y is equal to 1, so in this equation if you put y is equal to 1, so 3 into 1 will be 3, 3 plus 15 is 18, 18 upon 2 will be 9, so x is equal to 9. So one answer of this linear equation can be x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 1. We can write our answer in this way, 9 comma 1. This is called an ordered pair. This is called an ordered pair in which the first number shows the value of x and the second number shows the value of y. So we can write our answer as 9 comma 1. This is one of the answers. Now you see, if y is equal to minus 1. Now if you put y is equal to minus 1 here, now 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3, 15 minus 3 will be 12, and 12 upon 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6. So you can see, when we put y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 6. So one more answer, 6 comma minus 1. Again in the ordered pair form, but when x is equal to 6, then y is equal to minus 1. One more value we can put, if y is equal to say minus 3, y is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 into 3 will be minus 9, 15 minus 9 is 6, and 6 upon 2 is 3. So x is equal to 3. So one more answer, 3 comma minus 3. The first number has to be x, value of x, and the second number has to be value of y. Now you see, we can put many more values of y, corresponding you will get many more values of x. That means that this linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Means it has infinite solution. I have written 3, anyone can write 5 or 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 or 200, but actually it has got infinite solutions. You can put infinite values of y and you will get infinite values of x. So a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Now we will do one more example. Question is, find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, so they have given one linear equation in 2 variables, and now they are saying find 4 different solutions of this equation. You have to find 4 different solutions of this equation. Now the equation that they have given is x plus 2y is equal to 6, or you can say 2y is equal to 6 minus x. So you can say y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. Now you see, once again, as I told you, we can put infinite values of x, and correspondingly we will get infinite values of y. That is why this linear equation in 2 variables has infinitely many solutions. But here they want only 4 solutions. Okay. Now we will put 4 different values of x, and we will write down the corresponding values of y. So if x is equal to 0. Now see, we are putting values of x in such a way that the numerator is an even number, so it can be divided by 2, so that the fractions are avoided. Okay. Now x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, then 6 upon 2, that is 3. Then y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, you put x is equal to 2. Now 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 will be 4, 4 upon 2 is 2. Then y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 4, if you put x is equal to 4, 6 minus 4 will be 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. Then y is equal to 1. So we have to write 4 different solutions. We have already found 3 solutions. And now if x is equal to 6, if you put x is equal to 6 here, 6 minus 6 will be 0. So y is equal to 0. Okay. So if you write your answers in ordered pair form, so it is 0, 3, then 2, 2, then 4, 1, and then 6, 0. These are the 4 values. Clear? Now, if we plot these values or these points on a graph, and when we join them, you see what happens. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly here. Here. Now you see the first value when x is 0, y is equal to 3. When x is 0, y is 3 means this is the point. When x is 0, y is 3. Then when x is 2, y is also 2. When x is 2, y is 2. Then when x is 4, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 1. And when x is 6, y is 0. When x is 6, y is 0. Yeah. Now, if you join these points, you will see, although I have made a rough diagram, but you will see it will be a straight line. Okay? You see, and that is why it is called a linear equation. In a linear equation, if you take out few of its infinitely many solutions and then you plot them on the graph paper and join them, you will always get a straight line. You will get a line, that is why it is called a linear equation. Clear? Now the next example. They have given three different linear equations. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. 2x plus 5y is equal to 0, and 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. These three equations, and they are saying find two solutions each. Right now you just have to write two solutions each, but I'll show you 4 solutions each. Okay, just see. First of all, as I told you, 3y is equal to 12 minus 4x. So y is equal to 12 minus 4x upon 3. Now get different values of x and you will get different values of y. Put different values of x over here. First of all, if x is equal to 0, so this becomes 0, 12 minus 0, 0, 12 by 3 is 4, then y will be 4. If x is equal to 3, then 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 12 is 0, 0 upon 3 is 0, so y is equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 3, when you put x is equal to minus 3 here, minus 4 into minus 3 will be plus 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 upon 3 is 8, so y is equal to 8. If x is equal to say 1, then 12 minus 4 will be 8, so y will be 8 by 3. So now you can see we have 4 answers, although we have got infinitely many solutions, but we have 4 answers here. One is x0 y4, one is x3 y0, third x minus 3 y8, and x1 y8 y3. Clear? Now the next one. Here 5y is equal to minus 2x, so y is equal to minus 2x upon 5. Once again, if you put different values of x, you will get different values of y. If x is equal to 0, x0 means the whole thing is 0, so y is 0. If x is equal to 5, 5 gets cancelled, y is equal to -2. If x is equal to -5, when you put x is equal to -5 here, minus into minus becomes plus, 5 cancels, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to say 10, 5 2s are 10, -4, y is equal to -4. So you can see we have written 4 answers: pen x0 y0, x5 y -2, x -5 y 2, and x10 y -4. Clear? Now the last one, 3y is equal to -4. So y is equal to -4 by 3. Now you see the value of y is -4 by 3, but y does not depend on x. That means whatever value of x you take, y will be equal to -4 by 3. So the answers are: if x is equal to 1, y is equal to -4 by 3. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to -4 by 3. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to -4 by 3. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to -4 by 3. So you can see we have written 4 different answers, and as I told you, they are given that y is -4 by 3, whatever be the value of x. So we can take any 4 different values of x, and corresponding the values of y will remain -4 by 3 always. Clear? The next question. The equation, write 4 solutions of 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus y is equal to 7, and you have to write 4 different solutions. Now what we do, y is equal to 7 minus 2x. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7, because this is 0, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. If x is equal to 2, 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. So y is equal to 1. Clear? When x0, y7, x1, y5, x2, y3, and x3, y1. So we have found 4 solutions out of infinitely many solutions. If you write these solutions in ordered pair form, then it is 0, 7, 1, 5, 2, 3, and 3, 1. And now we are going to draw the graph of these values. When x is 0, y is 7. This point. When x is 1, y is 5. This point. When x is 2, y is 3. This point. And when x is 3, y is 1. Clear? And now if you join these points, you will see we get a straight line. As I told you, it's a linear equation, and whenever you draw the graph of a linear equation, you will always get a straight line. Next question. Write 4 solutions of x is equal to 4y. Once again you can see x is equal to 4y is is a linear equation in 2 variables. So you write y is equal to x upon 4. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 because 0 upon 4 is 0. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 upon 4, 1. X is equal to minus 4 upon 4, y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 8, then 8 upon 4, y is equal to 2. So these are the 4 values. These are the 4 solutions of the given equation. X0, y0, 0, comma 0. X4, y1, 4, comma 1. X minus 4, y minus 1, minus 4, comma minus 1. And x8, y2, 8, comma 2. Clear? These are the answers in the form of ordered pairs. And now we draw the graph. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. On this side, like this. When x is 0, y is 0, means this point. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 4, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 1. Here. When x is minus 4, y is minus 1. When x is minus 4, y is minus 1. Here. And when x is 8, y is 2. When x is 8, y is 2. Here. And now if you draw the graph, you will see it will be a straight line. Okay, this shows that this is a linear equation. The graph will be a straight line. Clear? Next question. In the next question, they have given a linear equation in two variables, and you know that a linear equation in two variables can have infinitely many solutions. And now they have given few solutions. The solutions are 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2, 4, root 2, 1, 1. There are 5 solutions. Now you have to check and say out of these 5 which you have to point out those solutions which those ordered pairs which are solution to this equation. So what we do, you can see, put x0 y2. So 0 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 0 minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 4, which is wrong. That means 0, 2 does not lie on this line, so it is not the solution. The answer is no. Okay, now put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 2 is equal to 4. Once again, it is not correct. So the answer is again no. Okay. Then the third one. Put x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 0. So 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Now 2 into 0 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 is equal to 4. This is true. So here your answer will be yes. Clear? So 4, 0 is one of the solutions. But we have to check 2 more. So put x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2. So it is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to 4. Minus 7 root 2 is equal to 4. And you can see minus 7 root 2 is not equal to 4. So again it is false. So your answer is no. And one more value 1, 1 is there. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So it is 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Again this is also false. That means again your answer is no. So the out of 5 you can see only 4, 0 is the solution of the given linear equation. Remaining 4, they are not the solution of this linear equation in two variables. Clear? And the last question. find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So 2x plus 3y is equal to k is a linear equation in two variables. Put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 because they are given, that is the solution. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to k. So you can see k is equal to 7 and that is your answer. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution to the given linear equation, then the value of k will be equal to 7. So in the next period we'll do few more sums. We'll do graphical representation of linear equations in two variables and do all the sums given in the assignments and go through the PDF carefully. Okay.